From June last year till now, the global oil price has fallen some 50%. Over at least the past 5 consecutive months, that's been felt positively at the petrol pumps as fuel prices have come down. This spells lower inflation and could therefore see the Reserve Bank holding off its process of monetary policy normalisation.
I think the impact could be quite significant, and we could see a CPI inflation rate nearer to 4% in the not too distant future, whereas recently it's been up nearer to 6%. So you take 1 or 2 percentage points of household inflation rates, and suddenly you've got stronger real disposable income growth. So I think that 2015 all in all is going to be a more positive picture for the consumer than was the case in 2014.
Loos reckons one sector that could benefit is the residential property market. Mortgage bond originator Uber says the lower oil price is a positive, but doesn't think it will make a major difference to the performance of the housing market. Like FNB though, it's optimistic that there's room for house prices to climb higher this year due to a lack of supply in some segments of the market. And it says if you're a potential investor, buy-to-let is a good idea, although returns in the short term may be slow.
Property is always a good investment, so certainly buy-to-let is always a good solid investment. Having said that, I don't think we're going to see any major returns on investment over the next while. It's safe to say that we've seen a gradual increase in property price over the past year, around about 7%, and I think we will continue to see a increase in property price over the next certainly 12 months, but not a significant increase. So maybe we'll get to maybe the 8.5%.
There's evidence that more residential building stock is going to be available this year and into the next, and various indices tracking building sector sentiment have also shown greater optimism. A better balance of demand and supply of housing stock is expected by 2016, which should ensure that house price inflation doesn't run out of control. Nompumela Losiziba, SABC News, Johannesburg.